So we're going to be opening the new iPhone 5 with Tanfoglio Witness 2, Stock 2, gone. And we'll see how bulletproof this phone is.
There's much.
Yeah.
Alright, so it comes a nice little... Ooh, look at this.
Ooh, look at this.
Not a beauty.
It's bigger.
You have about the same as the magazine.
Says
It's a full-size 1911 style. So, goes well together, I think. Nice color combination. And it's unloaded.
Good.
Well, beautiful guy. Got a beautiful phone. Took a long time to get this. Apple Store did not have any in stock until today this morning. I had to rush there. 32 gigs. AT&T. Let's turn it on.
It's probably on charge right now.
It's charged. There we go.
Oh, check this out.
Open this up. Of course, we got the regular setup. Nice new headphones. Pretty much the same
Layout
outlet,
for the...
except they changed the charger. This is what it is. Got an
Really?
extra one for my car. They changed it up.
What happened to the...
Supposedly this one is easier because you don't have to.
Yeah.
The old one you had to position, certain side up. This one is versatile.
Yeah, but do you still have the output for like all the media ones, media outlets? Because like a lot of people just start using.
There's the connector.
Okay.
Yeah, there's an adapter available, which is $30, which sucks. You know, $30. So some people won't be able to get.
Taiwan for $2.
Yeah. Headphones are nice.
Yeah.
The little earbuds look pretty nice.
Box nice, box nice.
I will keep them closed for now. I have my Dr. Dre Beats, so we're not gonna need that. Let's connect this.
Oh, you're gonna offend some iPhone fans like that.
Same setup. Next. Next. That's how this looks like.
Oh, small, man.
Yep, it's pretty
It
small.
almost looks like AV.
It was nice and easy this way and the other way.
Check. Let me see. Oh no, it doesn't look like AV at all. Well, anyhow, new technology. It's bigger.
It's longer. I like the black finish a lot better than the white. With the white one, you get the same type of color on the back. Just aluminum. This is painted aluminum, which I like a lot better. Looks sharper, kind of like a gunmetal color. It's our network. Next.
Enable location services. So if one of your roommates decides to steal it, you know where your phone is.
Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, that's a good option. iClouds. I'm gonna sign in real quick. At least I might.
Yep. Let's see what the password is. I'll tape on it.
Alright. Oh, and it's incorrect. Oh, of course.
Yep. You got it on tape.
Huh. Oh, it's your email, right? Works pretty fast. I like that. Let's turn this on.
Also, just set up your phone first.
We're doing it. Use iCloud and use iCloud.
The cloud. Just trying to connect to your cloud. Do you have a cloud account?
I don't use it, so
Okay.
use iCloud. We'll skip that.
Well, if you go to my cloud, there's a whole bunch of stuff you wouldn't want to see. So.
Looking good. So hopefully everything works once I hook this up.
By the way, we're not gonna edit this movie. It's gonna
Diagnostics and
go on YouTube just like it is.
Next. Next.
Okay, so what is it doing?
It's starting up, thank you. Looks like it's pretty simple.
So, are you going to have Siri on it, like automatically, or no?
Already got a bunch of messages.
Yeah, Siri's on
Software update is already available, looks like, since they released this phone. So we're going to update real quick. Works fast, I like that. Just crisp. You press the button, it loads right
they
away.
all will work fast once you get some music on it. It's all...
It's a 32 gig processor, is different from 4 and 4S. It's an i7 now. So it should be faster. Camera's better.
Okay.
So we'll play around and see. Overall, I'm happy.
You're gonna have to put in your password probably, or not.
No. Nice phone. It's a little bit lighter, which is kind of nice. Because maybe when you drop it, it's not gonna break and shatter like
is
the
this
old
still
phones.
made
Not
of the
gonna carry as
glass?
much
Is this
momentum.
is this still the glass?
Not the glass back. It's
Oh
just
shit! Oh shit! I'm holding my 4 and it's like feels like a exercise phone now.
It is nice. It's
Yeah,
nice.
it's pretty
I got a
cool.
case coming. Probably gonna keep the back cover on. I'm just gonna cut this and this for the camera and the flash. Otherwise, I'll keep the cover until the case comes in.
Alright.
And yeah, this is an
Pretty
iPhone 5
sweet.
video. Very nice. There's my. That's the little setup that we have right here. Got the
Yeah, don't.
iPhone. We got the Kershaw knife, which is pretty nice. Tanfoglio made in Italy. 9mm pistol, full
That's
size, 1911.
21st century gangster setup.
Got some hollow points. 16 bullets in the.
It's a
in the clip.
hipster. It's a
Yeah,
new
we
hipster
got the
setup.
we got
All
the
the
15
Apple.
inch,
Yep, Apple products
2.4
and
gigs. Made in Italy.
that's a hipster was
Made in
edited.
China.
Hope we're just not gonna show his face, just 'cause.
There you go. This is it. We're set. We're up to date.
Sweet.